In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export birthdays from Facebook. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to facebook.com. Once the page loads, make sure you're signed in to your account so you can access your personal event information. After that, navigate directly to your events page link. This is the section of Facebook where your scheduled activities, invitations, and calendar-related information are organized. Going straight to the events page helps you get to the birthday section faster without needing to search through multiple menus. When you arrive on the events page, take a moment to look over the menu on the side of the screen. In that list, you'll see different event-related categories that help organize the content. Find the option labeled Birthdays and click on it. This will open the Birthdays section, where Facebook gathers birthday reminders and listings connected to your account. If the page takes a second to load, that's completely normal, especially if you have a large number of connections. Once the birthdays page is open, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the birthday listings. This part is important because the export option is usually located near the lower area of the page rather than at the top. Scroll carefully until you reach the end, making sure the full list has loaded as you go. If more birthday entries appear while scrolling, continue until there's nothing else left below. At the bottom of the list, click on Export Birthdays. This option allows you to export the birthday information so it can be used outside of Facebook, typically in a calendar application. Depending on your browser settings or how Facebook is currently handling the export, you may see a link, a file, or a prompt that you can use with your preferred calendar tool. If needed, copy the exported link or follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. And that's it. You've successfully accessed the birthday section and used the export option from Facebook. If you're doing this so you can keep birthday reminders in another calendar, it's a good idea to save the export information somewhere easy to find for later use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.